One World Alliance partners. It's a pleasure to have you